To refresh again this Taka and Beza. So tahu kami lagi level lagi panjang, cuma tinggi saja. Okay, this is our facelift. We ada facelift mah 2022, tapi dia masih 2020 sampai sekarang. Both also small cylinder, 16 watt. This dual PVT lah dengan PVT lah, okay. But for the pricing, we menang lah. We are start from 34,800 to 44. Ini car price without insurance. Tapi for dia punya 34 sampai 49 demand top set lah. Okay, kami ada 3 variant, dia pun ada 3 variant. 5 year warranty 150 km sama. Okay, this one we are 4 rating the same trustability for all variant. Semua variant sama. Itu Asian NCAP. Dia kena tambah lagi satu yang NCAP. Kami boleh cakap Asian NCAP. Tapi dia punya the highest safety for top variant saja 5 star. Dia 5 star only for the top variant. Don't push back. Okay. So for the rest for the comparison, yang ini all the tagging extent semua ada lah. Nanti you have to read. Kami punya advance memang kalau ni cakap fuel consumption dia lagi safe. Pasal dia ringan. Actually later you read from dalam dia punya weight tak ada satu variant pun sampai 1,000. For Saga semua variant 1,000. So dia lagi lightweight. Bila lightweight save minyak fuel consumption. So this one here there is a lot of effect point like how we customer macam mana kalau kami lagi berat memang lagi makan minyak. So this is the comparison of fuel consumption highest variant. We compare the two highest variant. So this one you can read later, but when customer asks you you know how to